Look at all this green space. Can you imagine living right here and having this water view and all of this peace? I can't wait to show it to you, so let's go check it out. This amazing quartz, the details here and the lighting and everywhere we turn, it's gorgeous. Everywhere you turn in here, you've got those finer details that we all want. So for more information in this lovely neighborhood, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you and more details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any great deals like this one.